In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Dhgate by registering as a seller. Whether you're looking to expand your business or start a new venture, selling on Dhgate provides access to a vast marketplace of eager buyers. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you need to visit seller.dhgate.com, or you can simply open the Dhgate app on your smartphone. This is your gateway to starting your selling journey. Once you're on the site or in the app, navigate to find the Start Selling option. Clicking on this will take you to the next crucial part of this registration process. Now, it's time to fill in your information. This step is straightforward but vital, as you'll be providing details that define you as a seller. You may also be required to verify your identity. This step might seem a bit tedious, but it's a necessary measure to ensure credibility and build trust with your future customers. Having all your details properly documented will help smooth the process. Once you've registered your personal information, the next task is setting up your shop details. Think about your shop name, the type of products you plan to sell, and how you want to brand yourself in this bustling marketplace. Your shop is your virtual storefront, and the details you provide will impact how customers perceive you. Make sure your brand is clear and your shop profile is appealing. After your shop is set up, it's crucial to add your payment information. Accuracy here is key. You want to ensure there's no room for error when it comes to transactions. Setting up your payment preferences correctly will ensure that you receive payment smoothly and on time from your sales. Now comes one of the most exciting parts, creating and publishing your product listings. Your listings are where you'll showcase the products you plan to sell. Pay close attention to how you present each item, as an enticing and informative product description can make a significant difference in capturing potential buyers' interest. You'll want to include high-quality images and a detailed description, including any unique features or selling points of the product. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful seller on Dhgate. Selling online offers a unique opportunity to reach customers from all over the world and growing your business beyond traditional boundaries. Just remember, keep monitoring and updating your listings, engaging with your customers, and continuously improving your shop to meet buyers' expectations, and you'll be set to thrive in the online marketplace. Thanks for joining me today, and best of luck with your new Dhgate selling venture.